Well, hello, I'm Kit Langhammer, and I love that the products I share have been grown right here in the United States on family owned farms and have been scientifically shown to improve health in over 40 published research studies. Our farmers take pride in knowing their unique crop, whether it's kale or parsley, beets or blueberries, peaches or cherries, are allowed to vine ripen, are harvested, washed, and flash frozen within 6 hours of leaving the field to lock in nutrition, all to be processed into the most researched, high quality, whole food nutritional supplement in the world. Now, how cool is that? So, if you or someone you know can't, don't, or won't eat at least the recommended 9 servings of fresh, raw, whole fruits and vegetables every day, I'd love to share my simple solution with you. Call Roger after this meeting and he'll get us connected. And also, for just being here today, you'll receive 10% off your first order. So thanks for coming.